In the last video, I mentioned how to have your customers use kiosk mode, and then you can text them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually text them. So to text your customers once they order from the kiosk mode. So let's suppose here, I'm in kiosk mode here, I'm a customer, I'm ordering, and I add stuff to the cart. Let's say I buy a soup, and then I add a chicken corn soup to my cart, and I buy it. As a customer, I am presented with the option here to pay with cash or card. And again, you can control these options yourself, whether you want to take cash or card. Okay, so once I choose my payment tender or payment option, I'm asked for my name and phone number to have the order prepared for me, right? So when the order is ready, the cooks in the back gets to see the order and the person who ordered. Now, the question is, how do you notify this customer that the order is ready? Because your customers may be wandering around the business, they may have gone outside, they may went for a walk, they may be on their phones. How do you get their attention that the order they made on the kiosk is ready? One way to do that is obviously yell their name out. You can say, Bob, your order is ready. Tim, your order is ready. Or you can text them if they give you their phone number. Most likely they will, because they want to get notified. So how do you do that? So again, like I mentioned earlier, you will need at least a minimum of 2 Clover devices, because the Clover takes the order, the Clover also texts the order too. So you'll need a minimum of 2 Clovers. And let me go ahead and exit this app. Now we're gonna assume that this Clover here is at the counter where the employees, the cashier is at, where you take the orders from, right? So it's very simple. You do the same thing. You go back to the Smart Online Order app, and then you'll see the customers that have ordered. Let's say Kevin just ordered here, Kevin, right? And then what's gonna happen is next to Kevin's name, you'll see that he ordered from Kiosk. So if you're taking orders from online, from the iPhone app, Android app, you can see where the orders are coming from, and then you can decide whether that person needs to be texted or not. So Kevin ordered from the kiosk. He may be expecting a text when his order is ready, and you can do that. So all you do is you click on the text button here, and then you can send a default text message, which is, hey Kevin, or hi Kevin, your order is ready, come to the front counter. Or you can make a default template or make a new template and write your own message in there. You can say, your order is prepared and please come to the front counter. Or you can say, your order is running 5 minutes late. We apologize for the inconvenience. Or you can say your order is being worked on, or your order is almost ready. You can write whatever message you want to notify Kevin of the status of his order, and then press send button, and then Kevin will get the text message notifying him that his order is ready. So again, that's how you do the kiosk texting. If you have any questions or need that feature enabled, if you don't see kiosk mode, give us a call so we can enable it for you. If you don't have texting with us, let us know so we can activate that for you as well. But again, remember, the kiosk mode and texting go hand in hand very well. It allows you as a business owner to give great customer service, keep your customers updated, and by notifying them when their order is ready. If you want to learn more about kiosk or more tips and tutorials, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Thank you.